Why did my brother sell my shoes? I came home to find my favorite sneakers missing. I searched everywhere, but they were gone. My brother sat on the couch looking suspicious, casually counting a few bills. When I asked about my shoes, he just smirked and waved the cash. He had sold them. His excuse? I hadn't been wearing them much, so he figured I wouldn't mind. Furious, I stormed off trying to think of a way to teach him a lesson. Then an idea struck me. I grabbed his expensive gaming headset, the one he treated like a treasure, and listed it online. The moment he realized what I had done, his face turned pale. He panicked, begging me to take it down, suddenly understanding how it felt to have something valuable taken without permission. After a long argument, he managed to track down the buyer and return my sneakers. From that day on, he never touched my stuff again, and I made sure to remind him of this lesson whenever he even glanced at anything that belonged to me.